This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Diane Keeley. Rare opportunity to own 84 acres in Chesapeake near the NC border. Great for sportsmen, gardeners, livestock, and people who desire privacy. Cottage Style Living featuring 5-bed, 2-bath. 2 first-floor bedrooms, first-floor laundry, frog, wood-burning stove, newer dishwasher, dual-entry bathroom, and mudroom west/2 deep sink. Fresh paint throughout and replacement windows. Primary suite west/balcony and 2 walk-in closets. 3 zoned HVAC unit. Newer half-mile paved driveway and 3-car detached garage. Attached garage, greenhouse, and pole barn for RV and trailers. Wrap around porch and separate screened porch. 6-person hot tub conveys. Lot also features circular driveway, dog run, fire pit, hot tub, chicken coop, and fruit trees. End of driveway has utility shed west/electricity and fiber cable that supplies internet/cable for home. Home is on Septic and Well, no flood insurance needed. For more information, review the details below or contact Diane Keeley at 757-477-8577.